Hey guys, Jerry, back in the greenhouse. I don't know if you can see that temperature, but it's, I'd say about 118 degrees in here. And that is exactly why I wanted to install this fan. I've got it all installed, and I'm going to show you how it works. I'm having an issue with them louvers not opening all the way, so I think I might have squeezed it a little too tight or something other, but we'll get it straightened out. But anyway, let me show you how this thing is working. What we've got is a thermostat here. Let me set it to 80 degrees. And I've got a power switch here so I can turn it off and on anytime I wanted to. But we've got these louvers here on the front door, and it's got a motor on it. And when the thermostat goes off, that motor kicks in, opens them louvers, pulls air in, which would be the cool air, and then that fan there pulls it out, the hot air. So let me show you how it works. And like I said, keep in mind, I got to fix the louvers on that fan there. So anyway, let's fix the switch. And watch this. Instant cool air. As you can see over there, fan is working. Now the louver's opened a little bit. That would be alright. I'd like it to open a little bit wider. So there you have it. Anybody the cool air coming in here, and it pulls some air pretty good. I'll go over here and watch this thermostat a minute and see if it goes down some. Probably take a little while. Anyway, you get the gist of it. So, and again, I want to say thank you to Tommy Tea Bags, because he donated this fan to me, and to be honest, I really needed it. So thank you, Tommy, again. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. God bless. And we'll see you next time. Hopefully the snow will be gone by the time I do another video, because I am about tired of it. God bless.